Hey travelers, Mandy Horn with the Traveling Compass here, bringing you the very best in global luxury inspiration. So I'm going to be showing you the beautiful Hotel Xcaret today. I am seated in a gorgeous garden view suite at the Xcaret Resort. I want to show you around this fantastic room as well as this beautiful resort. It is a fantastic AAA 5-diamond property, one of only a few in this part of Mexico, and definitely worth your next stay. We have had a blast. Let me show you.